Hey, it's Dr. Williams with Protect Your Neck Mobile Chiropractic. People often tell me they don't need to go to the chiropractor because they work out, stretch, get massages, or do yoga. This is a huge misconception. Those things can help manage your symptoms, but they do not change spinal misalignments known as subluxations. There is no exercise, stretch, massage, or therapy that can treat a subluxation. The only way to correct a subluxation is with the chiropractic adjustment. I encourage you to strengthen your core, but it will never treat your subluxations or improve your spinal health. Since subluxations don't always cause pain, people believe that their spine is healthy. I can assure you right now, unless you are routinely seeing your chiropractor, your spine isn't as healthy as it could be. By all means, go work out, stretch, get massages, and do yoga. I want you to be your best you, but don't let the effects of subluxations sneak up on you. Contact Protect Your Neck Mobile Chiropractic today to have us protect your neck.